Is the Caucasian Shepherd difficult to train? That's a question many potential dog owners ask, and today we're going to delve into this topic. The Caucasian Shepherd, also known as the Caucasian of Charka, is a breed that originates from the Caucasus Mountains. This breed is renowned for its impressive size and protective nature, traits that have been honed over centuries of guarding livestock in harsh terrains. They are known for their loyalty, courage, and strong will. However, these same traits can make them a challenge for the unprepared owner. Their sheer size and independent spirit require an owner who is both patient and experienced in handling large breeds. But don't let this deter you. With the right approach, the Caucasian Shepherd can be a wonderfully rewarding companion. So let's dive into the specifics of owning and training a Caucasian Shepherd. To start off, let's look at the positive aspects of owning a Caucasian Shepherd. First and foremost, one of the standout qualities of the Caucasian Shepherd is its unwavering loyalty. These dogs form strong bonds with their families, often choosing a favorite person to shadow most of the time. This loyalty, coupled with a natural protective instinct, makes them excellent watchdogs. They are always on guard, ready to protect their loved ones from any perceived threats. Speaking of protection, the Caucasian Shepherd's protective nature extends beyond the family circle. They are known to be territorial, which means they will also defend your home with the same fervor. Their size and intimidating bark alone can deter potential intruders, while their fearlessness ensures they won't back down if the situation escalates. It's like having a personal bodyguard who's always on duty. Another advantage of owning a Caucasian Shepherd is their ability to adapt to harsh climates. Originating from the Caucasus mountain range, these dogs are built to withstand cold, snowy conditions. Their thick double coat acts as insulation, keeping them warm in winter and cool in summer. So, if you live in an area with extreme weather, a Caucasian Shepherd might be a good fit for you. Now let's talk about intelligence. Caucasian Shepherds are smart, really smart. This intelligence can make training easier in some aspects. For instance, they are quick to pick up commands and can remember them for a long time. However, their intelligence also means they can be stubborn, so patience and consistency are key during training sessions. It's a bit of a double-edged sword, but in the hands of an experienced owner, it can be a massive advantage. Those are some of the reasons why people choose to own Caucasian Shepherds. But what about the challenges? While there are many benefits to owning a Caucasian Shepherd, there are also some drawbacks that potential owners should be aware of. This breed is not for everyone, and it's important to understand what owning a Caucasian Shepherd entails before bringing one into your home. Firstly, let's talk about size. The Caucasian Shepherd is a giant breed, with males reaching up to 30 inches in height and weighing in at over 100 pounds. This size makes them a challenge to handle, especially for first-time dog owners. They require a lot of space, both indoors and outdoors, and may not be suitable for apartment living. Secondly, their potential for aggression, if not properly trained, is a concern. Caucasian Shepherds are fiercely protective and can be suspicious of strangers. Without proper socialization and training from a young age, they can become overly aggressive. This makes them a poor choice for homes with young children or other pets. They also have strong prey drives, which can make them a danger to smaller animals. In terms of exercise, these dogs are not couch potatoes. They need a good amount of physical activity to stay happy and healthy. This can be a challenge for owners who are not active themselves or who do not have the time to devote to long walks or play sessions. Now, let's touch on training. Caucasian Shepherds are known for their independent nature. This can make them stubborn and resistant to training. They need a firm and experienced hand to guide them, and even then, their training can be a long and challenging process. It's not uncommon for owners to seek professional help when it comes to training these dogs. So, as you can see, owning a Caucasian Shepherd is not without its challenges. But how difficult are they to train, really? The question of whether a Caucasian Shepherd is difficult to train depends on a few factors. Now let's explore the factors that can influence the trainability of this breed. First off, each dog is an individual with its own personality and temperament. Some Caucasian Shepherds might be more eager to please, while others might display a more stubborn streak. This doesn't mean they're impossible to train, just that they might require a little extra patience and understanding. Next, your own experience with dog training plays a significant role. If you're a seasoned dog owner, you might find it easier to navigate the training process. But don't worry if you're a first-timer. There are plenty of resources available to help guide you, from books to online tutorials or even hiring a professional dog trainer. The training methods used also contribute to the ease or difficulty of training a Caucasian Shepherd. In this regard, consistency is key. Dogs thrive on routine, so make sure to establish and maintain a regular training schedule. It can be as simple as setting aside 15 minutes each day for a training session. Patience is another vital component of successful dog training. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Don't expect immediate results. It's normal for your dog to take some time to grasp new commands or behaviors. Lastly, positive reinforcement is an effective tool in any dog trainer's arsenal. Rewarding your dog for good behavior, be it with treats, praise, or playtime, encourages them to repeat that behavior. It builds a positive association with the desired action, making training a more enjoyable experience for your furry friend. But remember, every dog is unique. What works for one might not work for another. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you and your Caucasian Shepherd. So with the right approach, training a Caucasian Shepherd can be a rewarding experience. But let's summarize what we've learned today. So, is the Caucasian Shepherd difficult to train? The answer is yes and no. What we've learned throughout this discussion is that the trainability of the Caucasian Shepherd, like any other breed, greatly depends on a variety of factors. These include the dog's individual personality, the owner's experience and dedication, and the training methods used. In the pros section, we highlighted the Caucasian Shepherd's intelligence, loyalty, and protective nature. These are traits that can make training easier. Their intelligence allows them to quickly grasp new commands and routines, while their loyalty and protective nature can make them eager to please their owners and perform their duties well. On the flip side, their independent and stubborn nature, which we discussed in the cons section, can pose challenges during training. These dogs are known to be willful and may require a firm and patient hand to guide them. Their size and strength also mean that they can be physically challenging to manage, particularly for novice owners. We also dove into what to expect when owning a Caucasian Shepherd. Remember, these dogs require consistent training and socialization from a young age. They also need plenty of physical and mental stimulation to keep them happy and well-behaved. Without these, behavioral issues may arise. However, despite these challenges, many owners of Caucasian Shepherds find the experience rewarding. Their protective nature makes them excellent family guardians, and their loyalty creates a strong bond between them and their owners. It's important to note that, while we've discussed general tendencies, every dog is indeed unique. Your Caucasian Shepherd may be easier or harder to train based on their individual personality and your own experience and skills. In the end, owning and training a Caucasian Shepherd is a commitment, but one that can bring immense joy and fulfillment. Thanks for watching, and remember, every dog is unique and your experience may vary.